In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create an app that reads the PDFs and display them into normal mode and into night mode. Hello guys, and welcome to Master Coding channel and the complete Android developer course. If this is your first time here, please subscribe below to get the latest tutorials and the coding tutorials and get the coupons free for our courses. So let's start making our app. First of all, create a new project and go to the Gradle and the model app. We are going to add the dependency for our library that will display the PDF. So this implementation of the PDF viewer, Android PDF viewer application found on GitHub. So this code will implement it. So I will use till now for about 2 minutes the stable version of it, 2.8. So delete the text view, and I'm going to paste the code for the PDF viewer. So this is the com.github.barttext and PDF viewer PDF view, and I will give it an ID as in a PDF. I will add the constraint for it for the view. Here we go. I'm adding them. Zeros and 0 for the full screen mode. Now, this is the ID, the PDF view, and I will close it. Now, let's create and declare the widgets for our PDF viewer application. So, here are the methods or the different ways that we can display a PDF source from them. Till now, in this video, we are going to display a PDF from the assets. These are the different forms and the sources you can get the PDF from them. So, if you see the PDF.from assets, it will pass a string for it. So we need to pass a string for our PDF that we need to be displayed. First of all, we are going to declare a PDF view and then instantiate it on the onCreate method. Instantiating it. Now, PDF view equal file view by ID and r.id.pdf view. So here we have instantiated good, and now let's see how to get the source code or the source PDF from the assets. Getting PDF file from assets. First of all, we need to create the assets folder inside our project, and we need to move a PDF from our library, from our computer to this file, and then display it. So click on resources, new, and an assets folder, Android assets folder, assets, okay, and click finish. Assets folder has been created successfully, and I'm going to move and copy and paste the PDF from it. I will get this PDF and paste it here. So, okay, it's named section 9. Remember guys, it's very important to rename the assets and rowables in small letters, and first letter, the first thing should be letters, not numbers. So, PDF from assets, and here, as I told you, it will take a string as in a parameter. So I will pass the name of the assets. So section9.pdf. It's very important to add the extension because it will not be displayed. So let's run and see the magic of our $1 billion application. Just kidding. It's very important, guys. It's very important to make apps and write them on your Android Studio. You open your PC and type them. With every error you will learn, with every bug you will learn, every line you will learn. So remember, guys, it's very important to make apps. Small apps will make you building complex applications. And here we go. It's very impressive. This is our application. It's very good. You can zoom by clicking on it, and our PDF is displayed successfully. So, by the way, if you need this PDF, if you need these lessons, you can download Master Android, Master Android Pro, Master Flutter applications from Play Store, and you get them. Now let's try to specify the pages that we need to display from this PDF. You can specify them by making 1, 2, 3, and here we go. The page number 1, the page number 2, and the 3. So only the 3 pages has been displayed by using this PDF view. So it's very good, and we are making it in a very good way. Now let's remove it so the PDF remains successfully and be displayed by 17 pages that contains. Remember, guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Master Coding channel, and rate us 5 stars on Udemy. You will get free coupons for every subscribers, and free raters who rate us 5 stars on Udemy, pushing us and getting the free source codes. So for every application on our YouTube channel, the source code will be available on the Udemy courses. So go and buy the Udemy course. It's $10, and the link in the description below. And rate us 5 stars on Udemy to get us making new tutorials and courses. So here we can specify many methods for our PDF view. So you can learn about them. But they are not very important for our application. So enable swipe. It will allows you to display the PDF in the horizontal view. Now let's go to a very important part in this video, is toggling the night mode. So in order to enable the night mode here in the stable version, we need to upgrade to the latest version, which is not 2.8, it is 3.2.0, but it is in beta form. So upgrade the Gradle and add the night mode method and pass that through. And here the magic, our application is working successfully and making the night mode working perfect. It's very important. A characteristic using and adding the night mode for our applications. So guys, remember, you need to open your Android Studio and learn how to code in order to be professional and making more and more applications. So let's add the swipe horizontal, and this will allow it to display the PDF in a horizontal way. It's very good, and displaying it. Okay, we are making apps in very good way, and a simple way and clean mode. So let's see what scroll handle it can be applied here. And remember, guys, you can discover the methods, other methods that we are using in this PDFVIEW library. So you can check the documentations on the GitHub or on Google, and you can watch the video, our video, later videos to learn more about these complex libraries and very useful libraries. So guys, I hope you rate us 5 stars on Udemy so you get the free coupons, and rate us 5 stars on Play Store to push us making new tutorials, and subscribe and like and comment. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.